Okay, so let's have this problem. So the bracket is supported by 1/2 inch diameter pins at A and B. The pin at B fits in 45 degrees slot in the bracket, neglecting friction determine the shear stress in the pins, assuming single shear. Okay. So since sa point A, this is a pin. Okay. Yung ating reaction doon, okay, meron tayong dalawa. So we will be having here as our AX, and then we will be having here as our AY. However, sa point B, since this is a slotted, okay, so ang mangyayari dyan, perpendicular dito sa pinaka-plane natin, okay, ito yung pinaka-plane natin eh. Yan na. Okay? Perpendicular dyan yung mangyayaring force. Okay, so you will be having here this one. Okay, hindi natin alam kung ano yung direction, so we will be having is our RB. Okay? So, pero itong RB na to, okay, pwede natin siyang i-decompose sa dalawa, no? So, we will be having here, on this part is the RBH. And then on this one, we will be having here RBV, or vertical. Okay? Now, since this is perpendicular, kung ito ay galing sa horizontal, yung 45, dito yung 45 mo, nandun na siya sa galing sa vertical. Okay? So, yun na yung inyong 45 degree. Okay? It means, ito palang aking RBV is equal to RB cosine of 45, and ito is would become RB sine of 45. Okay, yun yung value niya, no? And then, I will now take the moment at point A. So, pwede na akong mag-moment at point A. So, I will have it summation moment at A equal to 0. Okay, clockwise natin ay positive. So, from here, I have here 200 pounds, the moment. So, we have here 200. And then, multiply natin by 36 inches. Ma-minus ko tong RBH. So, minus RB sine of 45. Okay? And then, its moment arm is 12. Okay? And itong RBV, wala na ako dyang kasi tumatama siya dito sa point A. So, wala akong moment doon. So, wala akong ibang moment. So, you will be having here 0. So, you will now have the RB. Okay, so that's equal to 200 times 36 divided by 12 sine of 45. Okay, or you have here 848.53 pounds. Okay, so ngayon, yung pin ko na yon, nakaka-experience yun ng RB. Okay, so yung RB natin, so we will be having here the tau that would become equal to RB over the area. Okay? So, at this point, yung ating shear, that would become equal to 848.53 divided by pi all over 4. Ang diameter daw is 1/2 inch. So, you will be having here shear at B. Okay? So, that's 848.53 divided by pi all over 4 times 0.5 squared. So, you will be having here 4,321.53. Ang unit natin is pounds per square inch. So, you have here PSI. Okay? So, this is now the stress at point B sa pin sa B. Okay? So, paano naman natin kunin yung sa A? Pwede tayong mag-summation forces, no? So, I will take summation forces horizontal equal to 0. So, positive natin yung paganto. So, I have here the AX minus the RB sine of 45. But yung RB sine of 45 natin is 848.53 sine of 45. Again, that would become equal to 0. So, you have here the AX. So, ang AX ko is 848.53 sine of 45. That's around 600 pounds. Okay? And then, I could have it summation forces vertical equal to 0. So, I will have it as AY plus RBV, which is RB 848.53 cosine of 45 minus 200 na pababa equal to 0. So I have now the AY equal to, we will be having here 200 minus 848.53 cosine of 45. Okay, ops. Okay, so you will be having here negative 400 400 pounds. So, ibig sabihin, nag-negative siya, yung palang direction ng reaction natin, hindi pala siya pataas, ano? So, instead, ito pala ay pababa. So, this is a wrong direction. So, this is the right direction. Okay? However, kung ito yung ating pin, okay? So, kung ito yung ating pin, meron akong pakanan na AX. So, that is 600. And then, meron akong pababa na 400. Okay? So, yung pinaka-reaction ko, or yung pinaka-shear ko, dahil simultaneous siya gumagawa, so, ito yung aking RA. Okay? So, yung RA natin, or yung reaction natin sa A, that would become equal to the square root of 600 squared plus 400 squared. So, you will be having here square root of 600 squared plus 400 squared, and that is 721.11 pounds. Okay? So, para makuha natin to, so that would become equal shear at A, 721.11 divided by pi all over 4 multiplied by 1/2 squared. Okay? So, you will be having here the shear at A, 721.11 all over pi all over 4 multiplied by 1/2 squared. That's around 3,672.58 PSI. So, this is now the answer for the pin at A. Okay? So, ganun lang siya. Sa A kasi, simultaneous siyang gumagalaw, both horizontal and vertical. So, we need to get for the reaction.